This is a video in which we're going to do a quick look on the effect of different collision energies in tandem mass spec using negative ion electrospray, and for one example of a dipeptide, Val-Serine. More examples, there's a link in the show more to a giant PDF file that has a lot of data, and it's going to be in the data section at ResearchGate. This is the negative ion electrospray mass spectrum for Val-Serine. All right, and the molecular ion here, the M-1, is the 203.09, and you can see actually here, because it's negative ion, we got some chlorines. This has Val-2. This has one chlorine. There's probably some adduct dimer with some other junk. And but what we're interested in is the collision energy, the effect on the MSMS. So we're going to use as the precursor ion, we're going to use 203, and we're going to take a look at the product ions quickly. So this is from the print-off of a PDF file. Alright, and so we have various collision energies, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, on up to 40 eV. And we're going to take a look at a selection of 4 of them. So at 3 eV, we have primarily just the precursor ion, 203. We boost up the collision energy to say 11 eV. Alright, and so here we have our 203, and then we have a more intense product ion at 173. So 3, 11 eV. If we jack it up even more to 17. Alright, so this is 17. See the 173 still here, but now we start getting some more 129, and at 25 EV, the 173 has diminished a lot. You don't see any 203. At least at 17 EV, you still saw some 203. Now you don't see any 203, and you see even more products. But as this is going down, if we take a quick look, this is the intensity, right? And so these were all with the same amount injected into the Q-top. Right? So hopefully, so we started off going into the mass spec with the same amount, but then as the collision energy increases, scatter also increases. So here we have the maximum intensity here is a little under 1,000. Here we have 7 times 7 e to the 3, and over here at 11 collision energy 11 eV, we have 1.6 e to the 4th, and a collision energy at 3 eV we have 1.3 e to the 4th. So as collision energy goes up, there's a maximum, and then it starts to go down again. And then this is seen by that original. Let's see if this shows up well. All right, you can see as collision energy goes up, and then it peaks and goes back down. All right, because we're starting to get more scatter. All right, so the MSMS PDF file with all the data for 5 different peptides is at this link. Link is also in the show more, but I like to have some sort of backup. And the one for the tripeptide is at this link, also in the show more. And I should make a note that the actual, when you go to if you go to download the PDF file, it's about halfway down the page of the link. So if you don't see it immediately, scroll down.